Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP continues to be range bound at the moment, and while price action is starting to look somewhat promising across the space, across the crypto sector, and we don't really have an upside breakout signal here. Now, XRP's price structure also definitely allows for an upside breakout. We would call this the orange scenario. I really only want to take a look here at the shorter time frame. And in the yellow scenario, we will talk about that first. The possibility exists that this is still part of an overall, local downtrend at least, within an overall uptrend actually. So in the yellow scenario, you can see that after the price experienced a bit of a flash crash here on the 3rd of February, we had an initial rebound, a rally, which then got corrected, and since then we've been moving in a sideways range. Now, this could turn into a triangle pattern. There are many other options here, but for now, I'm tracking this in the yellow scenario as an ABC structure, a so-called flat correction, which is not bearish, okay? Not that you misunderstand that. I just want to point out the possibility with this scenario that the price tests the orange support area again, which is located between $1.95 and $2.34. Especially the $1.95 level is crucial support for the overall bullish scenario. So I am looking for higher prices on the XRP chart overall. But what it means is that if we dip back into the support area, it wouldn't be bearish. It could create another opportunity for those who are looking for rising prices. When we deal with a price structure like that on a small time frame, we have to assess the microstructures constantly. And already in my video yesterday, I explained to you it starts to look a little bit more like orange, just because this move down was already so long, a bit long for yellow wave 1, right? So it's possible, but the price would need to show a reaction to the red micro resistance area. And when you watch the video, we might have already broken above it because there's a good chance we break above it. Earlier today, I already posted on Discord that this looks more like orange now, which is why I said in the beginning of this video that when we're dealing with microstructures like these, we have to assess and examine the microstructures constantly, because just a little bit of movement can change the interpretation on the smaller time frame. Yeah. So what I wanted to share with you is that yellow is possible, but we are now exactly at the point from where the move down should start. At the moment, I don't see enough of a reaction to say that yellow is clearly leading. What we would need to see in the yellow scenario is a break below the $2.52 micro support level. That would indicate that weakness is coming in, and the market should then decline in wave C in yellow and possibly target the area around $2.22, $2.10 or $1.95. Again, that would not be bearish. Short term, yes, but it would still give us a nice ABC flat correction, and then from a little lower, as long as we're holding $1.95, the price could decide to turn around and rally. Now, let's take a look at the orange scenario, which has become, in my opinion, more likely, but I can't really officially make it the leading scenario until we break above resistance, but I think it's likely. In this scenario, the correction already finished here in a wave 2. That was on the 7th of February at this low where the price bottomed at $2.25. And we then rallied in wave A, which is a difficult to read structure because this rally was only in 3 waves. A B wave pullback landed exactly where it needs to go. It's exactly at the 61.8 retracement here at $2.47, and we could now be moving up in a C wave up. And that can take us first of all to $4.30 and then beyond. And the reason why I say that orange is likely, I posted that earlier today on Discord, is because this looks like a mini bull flag. So when you watch the video, it might already have broken out to the upside, at least one more high, maybe even only in orange wave 1. Important to understand that for the orange count, to maintain upside pressure, we need to hold above $2.52. So on the smaller time frame here, micro support for bullish continuation is $2.52, and red resistance is $2.75. But I don't trust yellow really until we see a bit of a break below $2.52. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. If you're interested in additional content, check out our main channel, MCO Global. It is linked in the video description. The reason I point that out is that later today, I will post a long-term video about XRP here, more of a deep dive into the chart analysis, surrounding factors, some on-chain data. So it might be interesting. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.